It didn't stop all at once, it loosened like a grip that forgot why it was holding. I didn't wake to silence, it was quieter than that. Like the world leaned back a little and gave my shoulders space. The hum I carried everywhere didn't follow me outside. For the first unguarded moment, nothing asked me to survive. No warning, no collapse, no miracle to prove. Just a softness in my body that I didn't have to lose. That was the day the noise let go, not the world, just me. I didn't fix what broke inside, I finally stopped the bleed. No anthem, no relief parade, no reason I could show. Just breath returning quietly, the day the noise let go. The day the noise let go. I noticed how the light came in without demanding sight. How my name felt less like urgency, more like something kind. The stories running in my head missed their usual cue. Like fear forgot its lines that day and didn't know what to do. I wasn't brave or ready, I didn't earn the calm. It just arrived without a fight and stayed inside my palms. That was the day the noise let go, not forever, just enough. The sharpness lost its appetite, the edge forgot to cut. I didn't need a reason why, I didn't need control. I stayed right where my body was, the day the noise let go. I didn't chase the quiet, I didn't ask it to remain. I just stopped feeding every thought that sounded like my name. This is not the end of sound, this is space to know. I am more than what reacts when everything is loud. That was the day the noise let go and nothing took its place. No emptiness, no falling through, just room around my face. I still hear the world when it calls, I just don't know it all. I learned I can stay present without answering the wall. Still here, still whole, still slow. Some days it comes back, some days it doesn't. Now I know the difference.